In this video, I will show you how to set up product variants on ShineOn. First, log into your ShineOn account. Scroll down and click on Open Artwork Designer. Once you're inside, you will see the variant options at the bottom of your design. To add more, just click the plus button beside the pictures. From here, you can choose which options will use this design. Simply check or uncheck the boxes depending on what you want to offer. When you're done, click Save at the bottom right of the screen, and then hit Save and Continue. Now scroll down, and you will see the product variants you just created. For example, your jewelry piece will now show up with both gold and silver options available for your customers. And that's how to set up product variants on ShineOn.